Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you and your loved ones are doing well and having a wonderful week. In today's video, I'm very excited to be sharing with you a look at Elf Beads. Now, Elf Beads / Mila, they were so kind. They contacted me and very generously sent me some gorgeous beads to review and style with, and I'm very excited to share these pieces with all of you guys. And I also want to say a huge thank you to Elf Beads, but also a huge thank you to each and every one of you, as I would never have these opportunities without each and every one of you. So thank you so much. So here is a look at the beads that were sent to me inside the beautiful bags that they come in. It's like this beautiful like pink color. And then you have this lovely pop of blue. They're a lovely like satin finish bag. They feel really nice. Now, if you did see on my Instagram account at fashionstoryteller, I did do a first impression / unboxing of some of the Elf beads that are already here. So some of the bags and things are already open. So if you do want to see that video, I will leave a link down below in the description bar of this video. It does give you my initial real like first impressions of seeing Elf beads for the first time. It was the first time I actually ever got to like physically see and hold Elf beads. So if you do kind of want to see my reaction to that, you can watch that video. I am going to be showing the beads that were sent though, that I showed on there in this video as well, because I want to share with you guys a very detailed look at them. They're so gorgeous. I'm going to zoom in really nice and close so you guys can see all the different details of them. And little spoiler alert, I am actually wearing some right now, so I actually have some beautiful beads on here. I kind of did like a necklace style that like I'm loving how this looks. I think it looks so pretty. And I do have some Elf beads here on a bangle design, which I'm really loving too. If you'd like to see the beads that were sent to me, how I like to style them, my review of them, and just kind of like basically an introduction to Elf beads, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea or beverage of your choice. I'm actually going to grab it here. I'm enjoying some delicious iced matcha from DAVIDsTEA. It's actually ceremonial matcha, and oh, it's so delicious. Well, anyway, let's get started with this video. Huge virtual cheers. Let's get started.
The Summer Miracle collection was released this summer, and it features beautiful Murano glass beads with beautiful delicate sparkle shimmer through it. You also have the beautiful faceted accents to it. There's a pink, kind of a golden yellow, blue, green, and a purple. And they're just so magical. I love pastels, so these are totally up my alley. And as you can see, they just really catch the light. They really twinkle, and they're just so cheerful and yet calming to look at. So these are so beautiful, and I cannot wait to do a proper bangle design with them. Maybe even a necklace, like on a pendant necklace. I think they could look so pretty. So here's a look, a little more up close look at the side details of each of the colors. So pretty. I'd love to know which one, or if you can pick which one is your favorite, please let me know down below. The next bag of Elf beads that I have to share with you was such a fun pop of color, very vibrant, uplifting, cheerful, makes me think of the sunset, berries, like so many pretty colors. You got oranges, kind of fuchsias, and pinks. So these are just beautiful to look at, and each one has some amazing texture and dimension to it. Here's a look at them all together, just twinkling and really catching the light. They really bounce light off beautifully. So the first one I'm going to share with you, a little closer look, is the Sakura Flower Twig Frost. This is my favorite one. Oh my gosh, it's so feminine. It's kind of frosted glass and the little yellow dots. It's so pretty. I'm just in love with it. I can't wait to do a design with it. We also have Rose Gaia. I believe that's how you pronounce it. And look at the dimension to this and the little flower accents. We also have Sugarcane Roll Fractal and Blush Gold. So beautiful. Look at the little different colored details on here and little dotted accents. Really cool texture to it. So beautiful. Next, we have another one with beautiful little dotted details to it. This one is called Sunkissed Dewdrops. Then we have Bless Oil Flower Twig. And this is stunning. Like if you really look at it, you can see the little petals and the stems of the flowers and just the colors for this. So many, like you can see the purples, reds, yellows. It's like a sunset. And then the last one I have to share with you in this collection is the Soft Strawberry Scales. Such a cool name. And here's a final look at them all together. And I just love the different, like, it's like a sunset. It's so beautiful. In the next bag of elf beads, we have some beads that have a jungle theme to them, so more kind of an earth theme, which is really cool. They're really neat too. You can see all the different use of colors and textures to them, little bits of sparkles and the dotted details. So we have Midnight Rock Flower, which I believe glows in the dark. We have Jungle Sand, Swamp Perpetual, which this is just stunning, all the different colors and how it catches the light. We also have Jungle Scales, which is golden green with little bits of blue, so beautiful. There's also Icelandic Dewdrops, love the little dotted details to it. We have Wish Jungle Starlight. This is spectacular, like totally makes me think of a night sky. And then we have Wish Jungle Dunes, which has this really cool texture, kind of folding kind of texture detail to it. And here's another look at them all together. Moving along, we have another bag of some beautiful elf beads. These really make me think kind of like wine colors. You got deeper colors to them, and they're really cool. Lots of kind of purples, golds, little bits of royal blue in there. Very, very beautiful, and I'm excited to zoom in a little closer and share with you the names of each of them. So we have Mystic ET, which the texture on this is amazing. Again, beautiful dotted details going through, kind of like in a V shape going around it. And when you look inside, there's so much dimension, so cool. We also have Swamp Monroe, and I love this. It also actually kind of makes me think of a sunset. You can see how it picks up so many different colors to it. Beautiful. There's also Violet Peacock, which I love the name, almost looks like little feathers inside of it, super pretty. We also have Wish Halo Pure, which actually is a really beautiful complement to Swamp Monroe. It's so pretty. There's also Galaxy Dewdrops, and this is so cool, like just all the little dotted details, and then the core of the glass, so beautiful, and it really does make you think of a galaxy. It's so pretty. We also have Blush Path. And Blush Path is so, oh my gosh, you guys, like if you really look at it, the dimension, it almost looks like these like tiny little roses inside. I'm not even exactly sure what you would call it, but it's just, it's amazing. It's so beautiful. Here's another little look at it beside Coral Stardust Gaia. And this one is just the striped details, and you got this like little kind of floral accent painted over top of it. Like it's so beautiful and it's so fun. It also makes me kind of think of a birthday or like a party hat. Like I love this glass bead so much. I think it's so much fun and can work with so many different themes. So that's another quick little look at all of these glass beads. And moving along, we have some other glass beads to share with you guys, and these are all really cool too. So we have Storm Perpetuals, which is this really beautiful glass bead. Beautiful texture inside. You also have the dotted details, kind of a navy blue with white. It's so beautiful. We also, beside it, we have Sunny Snake Skin, and this is stunning. I love, like, it has like this kind of golden yellow, little bits of white and brown, and oh my gosh, it is so beautiful, the texture to it. Next, we have Darkness Blush Fireworks, and this just catches the light so much. Look how cool this is. It's so fascinating to look at, all the different colors it picks up. And beside it, we have Gold Monroe, which is beautiful. Look at the golden color to it, the little bits of shimmer and sparkle. Really bounces off the light so beautifully. We also have Tiger Skin Vortex, which is amazing. It almost looks like kind of flames to me too, like just the colors and texture to it. And then the core, like the inside part, so neat. There's so many designs I want to do with this. It also makes me think of fall, which I love. You're also seeing on here Air Metal, which also makes me think of like glass or like icicles. Like the detail of it is so neat. There's also Ancient Triple Gaia, which is really cool. Again, you guys, I love the striped details to this one as well. And like you got so many different colors going on here. It is amazing to look at. Like I love the little bits of blue and gold and kind of a pinky purple to it. So here's another look at them all paired together, and I'm so excited to design with them. Now here you're seeing a quick little design I did on my fairy pendant with some of the elf beads, and these are the ones I'm going to be sharing with you. This is one of the first bags I opened, and I was so excited, and I couldn't wait to do a design with these. You can also spot the bangle design I did. So here are some beautiful floral beads that I have to share with you. I was so excited to open these. I did do, as mentioned, an IGTV unboxing this. So if you want to see my initial reactions, you can watch that. You can find the link down below. But look how gorgeous they are. And as you guys know, I love more like pastel colors and neutrals. So I was so excited that this was one of the first ones I got to open. So we have Carnival Extract, very vibrant, makes me think of a rainbow. We also have Misty Pearl Vortex Frost. This is stunning and it just feels so cool. There's Sunny Bubbles, which is very beautiful, really catches the light, and I love how clear it is. There's also Misty Pearl Wildflower. This is absolutely spectacular. I love the flower details on the top. There's also Pure Violet Extract. We have a Gold Sprinkles Flower Rank. And this is so pretty. It just looks like lace. I just love it. And then the last one we have is Sunny Springs, which is so pretty and just the detail to it. So here's another look at them all together. And I had so much fun designing these. I also did a bracelet design, but really love the pendant design that I ended up creating with it. I really loved how it looked and actually wore this for quite a few weeks. Love it. The last group I have to share with you of beads are beautiful, and the first one I'm going to share with you is called the Peacock Feather Barrel. This is a sterling silver bead, and it is just stunning. It's so beautiful. This was in the package with these other glass beads. I actually have some other sterling silver beads to share with you in a minute, but this is a quick look at this one and just the texture to this. It's actually a lovely weight too. Beside it, we have Ocean Seaweed, and this I'm in love with. The dotted details on the top are amazing, but look at that texture and use of color. It's beautiful. We also have Midnight Fireflies. I love the name, and it literally looks like a midnight firefly. Look at the little golden dots, and oh my gosh, it's beautiful. We also have Midnight Oil Stardust Zebra. Such a cool name, and I love kind of the metallic kind of detail to it, and you got the blues, kind of liquidy almost. It's so cool. We also have Aqua Circles, which I love the little bits of gold and yellow and blue. Beautiful. And then there's Pure Moss, which of course I love the name of this because I love the forest and everything. And oh my gosh, the detail of this is so cool. So the last group of beads I have to share with you are the sterling silver beads, and there's some beautiful ones in here. And they're all threadless, so they're easy. They can fit on different bracelets, and oh my gosh, you guys, they're beautiful. So here's a little look at them in movement so you can kind of see how they move. And the first one I'm going to be sharing with you is called Leafy Bugs. And can you see the little ladybugs on the maple leaf? And I'm from Canada, so I love that it's a little maple leaf. Well, I guess it's it could be a different type of leaf too, but it's just, oh my gosh, it's so cute. Beside it, we have Bohemian, which is this really cool dotted kind of open work design. Very beautiful. Really love the little dotted details to it. And then beside it, we have Elements, which I just think is amazing. Look at all the detail on here. So much detail and the little accents. And here we also have Multi-Flower, which is so pretty. And I love how it looks from the side. It's a little bit thinner, and then the wider detail. Beautiful. Rose Heart is, oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It's another more open work design, but I love it. I love the heart shape with all the little roses going through it. It's so, so pretty. And then that's basically a quick look at the different sterling silver beads. I am so excited to design with these.
Anyway, you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed seeing the beautiful world of elf beads. There are so many gorgeous beads in here, and I'm so excited to continue designing with them, and I still just cannot get over how generous Elf Beads was. So thank you so much, Mila and Elf Beads, for sending me so many gorgeous beads to review. It literally felt like Christmas morning. I was not expecting that at all. So a very heartfelt thank you to you, as well as to this community as well. And again, virtual cheers, you guys. I'd love to know what you think of Elf Beads, if you've ordered from them before. If so, what beads did you pick out? What are your favorites? How do you like to design with them? Please let me know down below. Anyway, you guys, I wish you a wonderful, magical rest of your day. Stay safe, take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Virtual cheers again, and all the best, you guys.